Hello friends, now we are listening with boric acid. आतापर्यंत आपण सल्फेट हायड्रोक्लोरिक ऍसिड पाहिलं. ऍसिडचे दोन प्रकार होते, हायड्रोक्लोरिक ऍसिड आणि बोरिक ऍसिड. आपण ह्याच्या अगोदर बोरिक ऍसिडचा फॉर्म्युला पाहिला होता. काय होता फॉर्म्युला? H3BO3. ओके, H3BO3. What will be the molecular weight of boric acid? बोरिक ऍसिडचा मॉलिक्युलर वेट कसा असेल? मॉलिक्युलर वेट 61.83. ओके, 61.83. पण ह्याच्या अगोदरच आपण पाहिलं, आपल्याला काय काय पाहायचं बोरिक ऍसिड मध्ये? फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, इट्स स्टोरेज अँड इट्स युजेस. ओके, इट्स स्टोरेज अँड इट्स युजेस. व्हॉट विल बी बोरिक ऍसिड फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज? देन बोरिक ऍसिडच्या फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आपण पाहणार आहोत. ओके, बोरिक ऍसिड कोणी पाहिलेलं आहे का? कसं असतं बोरिक ऍसिड? बोरिक ऍसिड is a white color solid which is available in the form of boric acid. Okay, properties, physical properties. Okay, physical properties. Then what will be the boric acid physical property? It is a solid. Boric acid, it is a solid. It is a solid. Okay, then it is available in the form of colorless. It is a solid. Okay, then it is available in the form of colorless, odorless, triclinic crystal or white powder. It is in the form of in the form of colorless, in the form of colorless, odorless, odorless and triclinic crystal or white powder. Triclinic crystal or white powder. Okay, triclinic crystal or white powder. White powder. Okay, then what is second property? It is slightly acidic and bitter in taste. Second property, it is slightly acidic or it is weak acid. It is slightly acidic and bitter in taste. Okay, it is slightly acidic and bitter in taste. bitter in taste. Okay, it is slightly acidic and bitter in taste. Okay, bitter in taste. Okay, then bitter in taste. Then last property, it is stable in air and having density of 1.46. It is stable in air. Third property, it is stable in air. It is stable in air and having specific gravity. And having density. And having density. And having density 1.46. 1.46. Okay. 1.46. Okay. This is the main physical properties of our boric acid. Please write down this physical properties of boric acid. It is solid in the form of colorless, odorless or triclinic crystal or white powder. It is slightly acidic and bitter in taste, and it is stable in air and having density 1.46. Okay, then we will see the most important, the chemical properties of boric acid. Chemical properties of boric acid. What are the chemical properties of boric acid? First, boric acid is a weak acid. Okay, boric acid is a weak acid. Chemical properties. Okay, then first one, it is a weak acid. It is a weak acid. Then second one, boric acid when heated with 100 degrees Celsius, it produces metaboric acid, or loses one molecule and it produces metaboric acid. Second one, when boric acid heated to 100 degrees Celsius, boric acid heated to 100 degrees Celsius, it produces metaboric acid. How it produce? I will take it. Okay, H3BO3 on heating. Okay, H3BO3 on 100 degrees Celsius. What will be it produce? HBO3 plus H2O. HBO2 plus H2O. This is metaboric acid. this is metaboric acid. Okay, this is the metaboric acid. Metaboric acid. Okay, then what will be the third property? When heating approximately 160 degrees Celsius causes loss of water to produce tetraboric acid. When metaboric acid again heated with 130 degrees Celsius, okay, then third one, when metaboric acid again heated with 130 degrees Celsius, metaboric acid again heated with 130 degrees Celsius, heated with 160 degrees Celsius, it produces tetraboric acid. It produces tetraboric acid. Okay, it produces tetraboric acid. And then what will be its reaction then? 4 molecules of H2BO2 which gives H2B4O7. Can I remove it, or otherwise I will return it? When metaboric acid, what will be the formula of metaboric acid? HBO2. Okay. This is HBO2. HBO2, the 4 molecules of HBO2 which gives H2B4O7 means tetraboric acid. H2B4O7 plus of H2O, plus of H2O. Okay, then this is the metaboric acid. Please write down name in chemicals butoside. Okay, metaboric acid. Metaboric acid is tetraboric acid. Okay, which produce tetraboric acid. Tetraboric acid. Okay. Tetraboric acid. Okay, then again the last property of this is on heating with still higher temperature it produce boron trioxide. Okay, it produce on heating with higher temperature. Last property from this, on heating with higher temperature, higher temperature. हे बघा लक्षात घ्या कुठे कुठे बदल होत आहे. बोरिक ऍसिडचं मेटाबोरिक ऍसिड मध्ये कन्वर्जन, मेटाबोरिक ऍसिडचं टेट्राबोरिक ऍसिड मध्ये कन्वर्जन आणि टेट्राबोरिक ऍसिडचं बोरॉन ट्रायऑक्साइड मध्ये कन्वर्जन होत आहे. म्हणजे 3 स्टेपच्या रिएक्शन आहे. ओके, 3 स्टेपच्या रिएक्शन कोणकोणत्या? This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the first one, boric acid with metaboric acid. Okay, metaboric acid with tetraboric acid and tetraboric acid. Third one is to B4O7 tetraboric acid, which on heating will use 2 molecules of BO3, that is boron trioxide B2O3, sorry, 2 molecules of B2O3 plus of H2O plus of H2O. Okay, B2O3 plus this. Then what will be the reaction then? Tetraboric acid, tetraboric acid, which one gives boron trioxide. Boron trioxide. Okay. Then these are the 3 chemical properties of boric acid. First, boric acid which gives metaboric acid. Metaboric acid which are again heating. Write down heating condition in that it is 100 degrees Celsius, it is 160 degrees Celsius, and it on heating. Okay, it on heating 160 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, and it is on heating boron trioxide. ह्या ज्या 3 रिएक्शन आहेत ह्या कोणाला कळाला नसतील तर प्लीज कमेंट ऑन माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. ओके, देन ह्या 3 रिएक्शन जर का असतील तर ह्या 3 रिएक्शन तुम्हाला तुमच्या केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज मध्ये बोरिक ऍसिड मध्ये तुम्हाला लिहायचे आहेत. ओके, परीक्षेमध्ये सहसा विचारलं जातं प्लीज राईट डाउन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बोरिक ऍसिड. बोरिक ऍसिड मध्ये ह्या तुमच्या 3 रिएक्शन तुम्हाला लिहिता आल्या पाहिजेत. ओके, then what will be the storage condition? Storage condition काय आहे याची? The storage condition, it is preserved in well closed container. Okay, boric acid ची storage condition, it is stored in well closed container. हे सगळं समजलंय. आणि जे स्टुडंट्स मी आतापर्यंत माझं चॅनल सबस्क्राईब नाही केलं त्यांनी प्लीज सबस्क्राईब इट, लाईक इट अँड शेअर इट. ओके, हे माझं चॅनल आहे ते प्रत्येकाने सबस्क्राईब करा, शेअर करा आणि लाईक करा. ओके, सो दॅट यू कॅन गेट बेटर व्हिडिओज फॉर आवर सिलेबस. ओके, फॉर आवर सिलेबस मध्ये जे बेटर व्हिडिओज आहेत ते तुम्हाला पाहता येतील. त्यासाठी तुम्ही माझं चॅनल शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि लाईक करा. ओके, देन वी विल गो फर्दर. फर्स्ट, स्टोरेज कंडिशन. Storage, it can be stored in well closed container or it is preserved in well closed container. It is preserved in well closed container. Closed container. Okay, then what will be it uses? Boric acid is an anti-infective agent. Okay, uses of an boric acid. Uses of an boric acid. It is a local anti-infective agent used in dusting powder, local antiseptic. It is a local anti-infective agent uses it is local anti-infective agent it is local anti-infective agent it is local anti-infective agent. Then second one, it is used in dusting powder. Used in dusting powder. Is used in dusting powder. Okay. Then the next one, its aqueous solution have been used in mouthwashes and eye lotion. Its aqueous solutions its aqueous solution म्हणजे काय? Miscible with water. Okay, its aqueous solutions is used in mouthwashes and eye lotion. Mouthwashes and eye lotion. Okay. Then third property from this, it possesses bacteriostatic and fungistatic properties. It possesses bacteriostatic and fungistatic property. And third one, possess bacteriostatic and fungistatic properties. Okay, then we will complete here our acids, total acids. First one boric acid and second one the hydrochloric acid. आता आपल्याला अल्कली कडे जायचं आहे. अल्कली म्हणजे बेसेस कडे जायचं आहे. फर्स्ट बेस वी विल सी द सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साइड. सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साइडचा फॉर्म्युला कोणाला माहिती आहे? सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साइड, what will be its formula then? NaOH. Okay, sodium hydroxide चा formula आहे NaOH. having molecular weight कोणाला माहिती सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईड sodium hydroxide दिसते सगळ्यांना ओके सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईड hydroxide okay then what will be its formula then the formula is NaOH NaOH okay सगळ्यांना माहिती फॉर्म्युला मॉलिक्युलर वेट 40.0 molecular weight 40.0 okay then what will be its physical properties it is occur in form of flake and pellets first physical property physical properties first it is occurring form of it occur in form of flake flakes or pellets flake or pellets okay it occur in the form of flake or pellets then second one it is very deliquescent means what it is very deliquescent थोडं जरी उघडं ठेवलं किंवा याला थोडं जरी हवेत ठेवलं तर इट ॲक्वायर मॉइश्चर फ्रॉम एअर सो इट इज व्हेरी डिलिक्विसंट याच्यामध्ये खूप हवेतील पाणी शोषून घेण्याची क्षमता जास्त आहे सो इट इज व्हेरी डिलिक्विसंट इट इज स्ट्रॉंगली अल्कलाइन अँड करेसिव्ह थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इट इज स्ट्रॉंगली अल्कलाइन it is strongly alkaline corrosive means what it is strongly alkaline or corrosive it is strongly alkaline or corrosive then last property from it is soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol it is soluble in water first property water soluble and alcoholic soluble water soluble and soluble in alcohol and soluble in alcohol soluble in alcohol okay हे कळालं सगळ्यांना चार प्रॉपर्टी इट इज ऑकर इन फॉर्म ऑफ फ्लेक्स और फॅलेट्स फ्लेक्स मीन्स व्हॉट अशा चकत्या टाईप ओके अँड पॅलेट्स मीन्स ह्याच्या राऊंड शेप मध्ये ओके राऊंड शेप मध्ये पॅलेट्स असतात अँड फ्लेक्स It is delucation means it absorbs water from moisture from air. Okay, it is strongly alkaline and corrosive. हातात जर का घेतलं तर आपला हात थोडासा भाजल्यासारखं होतं. Okay, it is strongly alkaline or corrosive. It is water soluble and soluble in alcohol. Okay, then this is the physical property of our NaOH. Then chemical property of NaOH. First of all, when it reacts with acid, it forms salt and water. Okay. Then the chemical properties of sodium hydroxide. Chemical properties of sodium hydroxide. First, chemical properties. First, in interaction with sodium acid with sodium hydroxide with acid, its neutralization reaction takes place. Okay, when reaction with acid, first of all we can write reaction NaOH plus HCl. It gives, what will it gives? NaCl plus of H2. Okay, NaCl plus HCl. It is base, it is acid, gives salt and water. Okay. Neutralization. What will this reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Okay. Neutralization reaction takes place to form salt and water. Then second, sodium hydroxide reacts with both metal and non-metal to give halogen, sulfur and phosphorus. In the interaction of sodium hydroxide, we use hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, when reaction with sulfur or halogen, phosphorus, it gives hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, what will be the reaction then? Second reaction, two molecules of aluminium plus 2 NaOH plus 6 molecules of H2O. What will be it gives? It gives 2 Na or 2 NaAlOH taken twice. 2 Na in bracket AlOH taken twice. Okay, plus 3 molecules of H2. Okay, hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, then this is the reaction of alkali with metal. Okay, then the last, its storage condition. These are the chemical properties of our sodium hydroxide. Please write down in your notebook that these are the reactions are very important as per your exam point of view is concerned. Okay, तुमच्या एक्झाम पॉइंट नुसार ह्या रिएक्शन खूप महत्वाचे आहेत. Then write down this, the storage condition. What is the storage condition of this? Storage, it is stored in well tight container. It is stored in well closed container and it absorbs moisture from air. Okay. Storage condition of sodium hydroxide. storage, it's stored in well closed container. It is stored in well closed container as it absorbs air or moisture as it absorbs moisture from air. Okay, that is as it absorbs moisture from air. Okay, then what is its use? It is strong alkali, so not used as a therapeutic. Therapeutic use मध्ये याचा use नाही आहे. Okay, what will be its uses then? Use it is used as alkali. It is used as alkali. Then second one, it is used as disinfectant, and in veterinary practice it is used as disinfectant. It is used as disinfectant. And last one, it is used in chemical laboratory and industry. It is used in chemical laboratory and industry. It is used in chemical lab or industry. Industries. Okay. Then students, we will stop here. In next lecture we will see the strong ammonium hydroxide, one of the base that we are remaining here. एक बेस राहिलेला आपला स्ट्रॉंग अमोनियम हायड्रॉक्साईड तो एक घेऊ. आणि बफर सिस्टीम कोणकोणत्या आपल्या फार्मसी फील्ड मध्ये वापरल्या गेलेल्या आहेत त्याचे एक एक्झाम्पल पाहू. ओके, त्याचे एक्झाम्पल्स वी विल सी इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके, सो प्लीज कमेंट hi and you type your name in your comment box, so I can get your attendance. And those students who are not taking hi and their names, so their attendance will not be considered. Okay, so please we will stop here. ज्या ज्या लोकांनी माझं चॅनल आता पण सबस्क्राईब नाही केलं त्यांनी सबस्क्राईब करून घ्या, लाईक करा आणि शेअर करा. ओके, सो बाय फ्रेंड्स.